First, the top stories. National SC/ST Hub Conclave held at EBC Gospel Centenary Hall in New Lanka. Item holds sit-in protest in various parts of Manipur. STDCM continues its protest over inclusion of Meitei in Seru tribe list. Former football player Kalyan Chobe has been appointed as AIFF president. India records 6,168 fresh COVID cases, 21 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA and now the news in detail. Teachers who had been integrated under State Education Department to the STEC a sit-in protest against the change of salary account had demanding to withdraw the government's recent order. Addressing the media during the protest at Kuyatong JEOI office, Science graduate teacher CHRISTINA said that the monthly salary of teachers was funded under SSA and RAMSA. The teachers were integrated and absorbed following a cabinet decision in 2020, and an order was issued by the Directorate of Education according to which teachers have been drawing salary from the same account had. However, the recent order to withdraw salary from a new account has disheartened the teachers, as the changed account hat will result in irregular salary payments similar to pre-integration of the state teachers. The teachers strongly objected to the decision of the authority and appealed to withdraw the order.
Employing a Chamana, Hong status dog, Hongan view, hello, conscience to Viganu, Hibagi. Protest winner, government, with Hijaboina, and sitting protest of Bibini, Masi, Mayan, what we now think me and Bidana, government, I call it Rassi, Awana, to think from Bidana, Amutangi, I call it government employment or Bagi Chapchabi status dog, Hongan view, and Hijari, Masu, a good day for school, like Tapchagova, Music Taiba, the school, Kayama, the realize your name, the prayer about the Mohan and Duna, announced the city of Matin Pangam Jagani, and the government being put on the Latin city, award the Timbang, Hijari.
After a protracted dispute, all the 3,480 SSA and RAMSA teachers hired between 2011 and 2014 who were absorbed and integrated on August 2020, whose salary were funded by the center prior to the integration, but after the integration, the salary hat was changed to non-planned head of the state government and have been drawing salary from the same account hat. Unfortunately, on 12 August, Education as Director instructed all JDOs and DDOs and the heads of institutions to forward fund proposal and segregating the teachers as Samagra and department, said Science graduate Twitter Lysram Rabina. The statement was given during the protest of Journal Education Office JEO John to Parampan. She further said that the order issued by the Education Department on 24 August is an embarrassment to all the teachers who have been struggling for their salary and who is responsible towards their duties.
Yamna puning wakan laitana isa gi duty da mapung phana thabak tawjaraga lakpani aduga ikhang khamodana hada director tagi letter amana akoi punamakse aki belo mai hawale maramdi hariba letter sigi maron sina kamdo ge harma tanda akoi se hana akoi hojik se SSA RMC ga hiram amatada mari samnadragbani akoi se state cadre oirabani ado hariba letter sina akoi hanagi samagra shiksha habidi SSA RMC gi da ngai matamda phangiba head of account to adudagi tolop ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯣꯟ ꯄꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯣꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ZEO ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯗꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ
Thoubal District, under the All Integrated Teachers Association Manipur item, staged a protest in front of the Thoubal District JDO office today. The protest was organized by the teacher of Thoubal District, John, which will continue till tomorrow. Thoubal Journal Educative Bani Paul, who took part in the protest, condemned the order released by the Director of Education to draw salary from the new account had. She further said that they have met the Education Minister, Commissioner and Director and acknowledged the problem faced by the teachers. Drawing salary from the different account heads of the same school will create bitterness among the teachers.
Masida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯕꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ.
As a part of ongoing statewide agitation called by All Integrated Teachers Association Manipur item, the primary and graduate teachers of Noni District under Education Department stake sit-in protest today in front of ZEO office Noni to fulfill their demands to the state government. The sit-in protest was held in support of the item, holding placards written as "Don't demoralize teachers, no change of salary had, remove incompetent director, equal work, equal salary." National SC/ST Hub Conclave to promote entrepreneurship and make development reach all sections of society, especially the marginalized groups, including SC/ST entrepreneurs, was held today at EBC Gospel Centenary Hall in New Lamka, CHRISTINA. The conclave was organized by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME, Government of India, along the lines of the Public Procurement Policy 2012. Deputy Commissioner CHRISTINA Arozu, P. Sivanan served and officials from different government departments attended the conclave apart from entrepreneurs and other beneficiaries. Of Textile, Commerce and Industry Department and Cooperation Government of Manipur, Nemcha Kipgen expressed her anticipations that this conclave will improve the life of many people belonging to ST/SC communities and will play an integral role in the development of the state and the country's economy. The public of Wangu has urged that work on 4-kilometer long road at Wangu Ahalup Thong Makha be finished as soon as possible. The road's construction was begun under the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana of the Ministry of Rural Development Government of India, but it was left unfinished. Ebenezer Amomt Mani Lema stated that locality have even contributed their property to widen the road and lay down soil after learning that it will be met puka. Everywhere else has stonework with the exception of half-kilometer from the Wangu Ahalup bridge And as a result, students are having difficulties traveling to school since there is a lot of dust in the summer and mud in rainy season. She pleaded that the state government to look into the matter and construct the road at the earliest. Another villager, Amom Isayhanbi, urged the state government to finish the road construction as quickly as possible to avoid agitation.
aduna maram oduna akoi di ko lasu thabiro nungju thabiro masida mari lenu icha nupa brandandara ida singchu ubiro akoi gi thabak se amuktung thu namangin dhana dongna bidamak taina hajari sida athuba matamda nung jaibidra ba koila thabidra ba akoi gi lekai sigi maira pabi kalab la ko akoi athuba tan khongjang changjalaga akoi gi lekai gi pen da bachi akoi action la khotken haina akoi na
lamchu manghogani koi di adum bin lok thokini baja loina manghogani akoi di chelok thokini baja na lamche pibi yadari wa ujambi yadari hare akoi lambi pakho gadi isa isu tungni lakadaba si nungai hongna ba khoi khoi siga chu moi nungai hongna ba tungni lambi gi damta khalaga pi bani adum ngasi ba nung thare jogi dare karma mi nga thambi ba khoi wakachari sinima.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Enterprises Keshamthongna organize tauba manga suba langbal kaitil nakadoi ba September gi tang 10 ga 3 tagi October gi tang 10 ga 2 pawa Palace compound na leiba hapta kangjai bungda pangthok sarga
Langbal kaitil asida Manipur da leiba full khudingmakki cultural item amadi store sing phambigani
mangarak suba langbal kaitil asida national amadi international gi oiba store jam hena saruk yagadori
Nepal tangana pangthokwa festival amani festival asida gambling item amati yaujaroi handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina store 20 khudong jawa thamjai
tongan musical event rock show manipuri matami sei loinana with the star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su langbal kaitil ubo phambigani
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaitil.
please come and enjoy at langbal kaitil.
Welcome after the break. Poray Kongzin High School students organized a demonstration demanding the required teachers of the school, together with members of the Manipur Students Federation MSF Head Office and MSF Taubal District Committee. Speaking on the matter, MSF General Secretary Hizam Roshan said that students at Poray Kongzin High School had been pleading with the headmaster to send the necessary teachers, and that today, when a team from MSF unexpectedly visited the school as part of its mission, they discovered that the headmaster had also been transferred. Only 13 teachers have been instructing more and than 610 students, which is not what was anticipated. To create better students and better schools, MSF will continue to visit and inspect schools, he added. The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Manipur STDCM, staged a sit-in protest today at Lampil Supermarket as part of the ongoing agitation over the state government's lack of concern for the demand of the inclusion of indigenous Meitei in the ST list. Speaking to the media, Joint Secretary of STDCM, Lysram Kishore, stated that the protest was conducted to act as a wake-up call to the state government, since inclusion on the ST list of India is the only way to conserve indigenous Meitei. He urged the state government to take STDCM democratic protests seriously and to promptly send ethnographic and socio-economic reports of the Meitei for the inclusion in the ST list to the center.
Government na akoi wapam tabi asena sisina genuinely Meitei kandani haiba only solution si bu tabi dragadi hayeng akoi democratic oidaba atopa khongjan janjala ka na government ga mungna raga su akoi nungai jati aduna akoi government gi responsible ngai jabe se akoi bu solely akoi tawban ma moy haina khanbi ganu na ai government da tawjage aruga akoi tawjari pochi democratic tawri ba pochi respect to yoina akoi ahan naman rom dagi akoi hamdi haidan legini handa so jari adu akoi sibira ga taseng na mai bu kal si haita ga STDM na pamjari ba solution se recommendation thabi ho se so na thabi ni na ai government da
District Administration Noni, in collaboration with District Program Officer ICDSL Noni, launched a month-long Rashtriya Poshan Ma National Nutrition Month program today at the Multipurpose Hall, Longmai Part 3, Noni District Headquarters. The launching program was attended by District Program Officer of Directorate of National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, Noni Dr. Gairang Lung Thaimei, Additional SP Law and Order, Noni Peter Namsadai Pamei, and District Program Officer ICDSL None A. Satyabati Devi, Supervisor ICDSL Nungba Alunim Thaimei, Anganwadi workers, helpers, ASAS, and other health care workers and district level officers. As a part of the program, a rally consisting of Anganwadi workers and helpers, ASAS, district level officers, and other health care workers was held, and special other enrollment drive for below 6 years was also conducted by the concerned officials. Speaking to the media person, DPO ICDS Cell None A. Satyabati Devi said that various activities will be carried out in the month-long observance. She said awareness and lecture program on nutritive food and kitchen garden mainly focused to the children and pregnant women will be held in every blocks of the district so that there is no malnutrition and social well-being with healthy society along with sanitation and tree plantation drive. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday commissioned the first indigenously designed and built aircraft carrier INS Vikrant and Cochin Shipyard Limited in Kochi, Kerala, and unveiled the new naval ensign. PM Modi received the Guard of Honor as he arrived for the commissioning ceremony of INS Vikrant in Kerala. Defense Minister Rajnath, Shipping Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Governor Arif Muhammad Khan, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayant, Arnakulam MP Hibi Idant, Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar, and top officials of Navy and Cochin Shipyard Limited CSL attended the event. Addressing at the ceremony, PM Modi has described September 2 as a landmark day for India's efforts to become self-dependent in the defense sector, as the first indigenously designed and built aircraft carrier has been commissioned. India recorded a total of 6,168 fresh COVID cases, along with 21 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,44,42,507. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 9,685 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,27,931. Out of 21 new fatalities, 4 were from Maharashtra, 3 each from Delhi and West Bengal, 2 each from Kerala, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat, and 1 each from Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Taking the Delhi positivity rate at 1.94%, the total active cases has declined to 59,210 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.68% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 212.75 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. The All India Football Federation AIFF on Friday got a former player as its first president in its 85-year history, with Kalyan Chaubey beating the legendary Baichung Bhutia in the election for the top post. The 45-year-old Chaubey, a former goalkeeper with Mohan Bagan and East Bengal 133, won a result that was expected, as former captain Bhutia did not have many supporters in the 34-member voters list made up of state association representatives. The Sikkimese sniper, also 45, could not even get his state association representative, as proposers of seconder for filling his nomination papers. Before we wrap up, let's look to the top stories once again. National SC/ST Hub Conclave held at EBC Gospel Centenary Hall in New Lamka. School teachers under item hold sit in protest in various parts of Manipur. STDCM continues its protest over inclusion of Meitei in settled tribe list. Former football player Kalyan Chobe has been appointed as AIFF president. India records 6,168 fresh COVID cases, 21 fatalities in the past 24 hours. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for joining us.